Write on the problem. A short circuit and open circuit impedance of a 10 kilometers long. A short circuit and open circuit. A short circuit and open circuit impedance of a 10 kilometers long. 10 kilometers long. Open wire transmission line. Open wire transmission line. Open wire transmission line. Open wire transmission line or Z suffix short circuit. Z suffix short circuit is equals to 2930 angle 26 degrees. And Z suffix OC open circuit is equals to, this is Z suffix SC means impedance at short circuit, impedance at open circuit is equals to 260 angle minus 32 degrees. At a frequency of 1 kilohertz. We will start. Calculate the characteristic impedance. Calculate the characteristic impedance and phase velocity. Impedance and phase velocity. Impedance and phase velocity. Read the problem carefully first. A short circuit and open circuit impedance of a 10 kilometers long open wire transmission line Z suffix SC impedance at short circuit is equals to 2930 angle 26 degrees. And impedance open circuit is equals to 260 angle minus 32 degrees at a frequency is 1 kilohertz. Calculate the characteristic impedance and phase velocity. Solution. First you need to write it given data. Write down given that what we have from this circuit. We have impedance at short circuit Z suffix SC 2930 angle 26 degrees. Next, impedance at open circuit Z suffix OC is equals to 260 angle minus 32 degrees. Next, you have frequency F. F is equals to 1 kilohertz. 1 kilohertz. right? And one more parameter we have, open circuit and short circuit impedance of 10 kilometers long, means that is L value, right? You need to note down that L value. You need to note down L value. Fine. First, what you need to find out first? You need to find out, here we have ZSE and ZOC, impedance at short circuit and impedance at open circuit. You need to find out output impedance of circuit. So the formula for output impedance Z naught is equals to square root of ZSE into ZOC. Substitute the values in this. Now what is the value? You need to substitute the value square root of 2930 angle 26 degrees into 260 angle minus 32 degrees. Simplify this expression, what you will get it? You will get it the value of 873 angle minus 3 degrees ohms. This is the output impedance of circuit. Output impedance of the circuit. Next you need to find out tan H gamma L. Tan H gamma L is equals to square root ZSE divided by ZOC. Substitute the values in this equation. ZSE means 2930 angle 26 degrees divided by 260 angle minus 32 degrees square. What is the value? Value is minus 0.29, sorry, minus, that equals to 0.298 angle minus 29 degrees, or else in terms of real and imaginary you need to write like this also, 0.2605 minus J 0.144, that is you need to write it exponential of e power gamma L minus exponential of e power, you need to write it here, exponential of, or else e power gamma L minus e power minus gamma L divided by exponential of gamma L plus e power minus gamma L, that equals to, this value is equals to 1, and what is that about? You know the value, you need to substitute this 0.2605 minus J 0.144. Okay, so this is for exponential of that so and so. Next, if you want to find out 2 e power gamma L divided by 2 e power minus gamma L value, you need to substitute same all these values. You need to substitute all the values in the expression. 2 e power gamma L divided by 2 e power minus gamma L. Substitute the values. You know the values. 1 plus 0.265 minus j 0.1444 divided by 1 minus 0.2605 minus means it will plus 0.1444. Okay, you need to simplify the expression, then you will get the simplified expression. That equals to simplify expression.